In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore a desktop shortcut that you've accidentally deleted. So your desktop shortcuts are basically just the programs within your desktop on your Windows 10 PC. So if, for example, you accidentally delete one such as so, and you select delete, normally that then goes into the recycle bin. If you want to restore it from there, all you have to do is go to the recycle bin, and what you want to do then is to right click on the program and select restore, and it will go straight back there. If you delete it and then enter your recycle bin, there is another option. So if I delete this one again, delete it, and then say I go to my recycle bin and I delete it permanently, select yes. So now that's now gone from my desktop. So to get that shortcut back, what we need to do is to go back into the menu. So click on the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner. Now all your desktop shortcuts or your programs will be in alphabetical order. So this one is called FileZilla, so look for the letter F. So they'll be listed under the appropriate letter. Sometimes the programs will be located within a folder or a subfolder in this case. So there it is. So to restore FileZilla back to the desktop shortcut, all I have to do is literally hold down the left key and drag it over to the desktop such as here. Release, and there it is again, so I can then put it back in its place. And that program will now just open it up. That program now opens and loads properly. So that's how you can restore a desktop shortcut on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching.